morning, my dear student. I am Rajesh Kumar, science teacher of KLM International School, Pathankot. Today we will discuss about a topic cleaning action of soap from chapter Carbonates Compound, class 10 chemistry. Let's start. Okay, soap. Soap molecule having two main part. One is head part and other one is tail part. Head part is actually a hydrophilic part, the part which is toward water. Hydrophobic part, the water heating part, the part which is away from water. This part or this tail part basically attached to the dirt molecule, okay? And head part is toward the water or attached with the water. Hydrophilic region or hydrophobic region, okay? Cleaning action of soap, how the soap molecules work, okay? Normally, grease, dirt, or any oily substance cannot easily remove by the water. Okay, they need some chemical reactions to remove from the clothes. Okay, when we mix the water or when we use the water to clean the clothes or dirt clothes, normally what happen? The hydrophilic part actually the attach to the water and hydrophobic part is attached to the dirt molecule. Attraction of the head end of a soap molecule to the water and washing motion of the cloth pull the soap and grease. Actually, what happened? See, hydrophobic hydrophobic region of the soap molecule. Hydrophobic region actually the soap molecule. What will happen finally? See, the hydrophobic region. Hydrophobic region means water hating region, or hydrophobic region having a tail, carbon hydrocarbon tail. This tail attach to the dirt, okay? It form bonding with the dirt. It actually form bond with the dirt, okay? And this bond, when this bond is formed, it remove the dirt from the cloth. It try to remove the dirt from the cloth, okay? And there is a formation of a structure called micelle. There is a formation of micelle structure. Micelle means a center. At the center dirt molecule is there. Dirt molecules may be of grease, oil, or anything, okay? Dirt molecule is at the center. Tail is attaching to the dirt molecule and head portion is toward the water, and there is a formation of a spherical structure, okay? And this spherical structure can be washed away with the water, okay? This is all about the cleaning action of soap, how soap works, okay? I hope you understand the concept. Meet you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.